Hey guys, it's Jestina with Team Ashen. In my last video, I showed you guys how to do this very nice cosplay foundation base, and I told you that this is the base that I do sometimes when I can't decide what look I'm going to give a character for a shoot or a con. So now I'm going to show you how to take this look and turn it into something a little more, I don't want to say dramatic, but just a little more than it is that you could wear for a character that is nothing like, I mean, I guess you could do whatever you want, but for me it's a character that's basically just like somebody without magical powers, or somebody that wouldn't normally wear makeup and you want to take your own turn on it, or something that you can wear when you get back from the con and suddenly everybody's like, hey, let's go out, let's go to dinner, and you have like 15 minutes to put yourself together and change up your look. So let's get started. Alrighty, so this is the base makeup. And I'm gonna put a purple shadow over it from Urban Decay's Electric palette. I love this palette. I don't know why, I was just feeling very inspired by bright colors, and I thought, you know, this would be a fun thing to do. So I'm packing that purple shade into the crease like I did with that brown peach neutral shade that I used in the base video. And then I'm going to take, also from Urban Decay's Electric palette, it's like a fuchsia color, I guess. And I'm going to put that on the center of my lid and blend it into the crease. I didn't like the brush I was using for it, so I'm going to take the back of the brush that I used to put the purple on and blend that better. Since we had that, also in Urban Decay's Electric palette, because I love it, I'm taking a different brush and using the silver shadow in my inner corners as a highlight color. I'm blending that into the purple and fuchsia. Then I'm going to take this little brush and take the purple shade and drag it a little bit along my lower lash line up into the shadow so that I can create a bit more of a point. And then I'm going to line my eyes. I like to use liquid liner. I also use a felt tip liquid liner. I don't like the brush tip. The felt tip is just easier to control. You could use gel liner, you could use pencil liner, whatever you're more comfortable with, but I just prefer liquid. And then before I do my other eye, I'm going to set it with a black eyeshadow just so that it doesn't ruin the work I did on my eyes. Once it's set, I repeat that step on my other eye, including setting it. Beautiful out there, if you didn't notice, so I'm going to take a makeup wipe and wipe that off. It works better when you don't already have foundation and stuff on, but it's fine, we can fix that later. It's just very pigmented, so it leaves like a pinkish reddish color. This is usually why doing my eyes before I do my face, but now it's all lash time. So I have this little applicator that I use for it, and then it holds it better so I can apply the glue, because you want to use very little, you don't need a lot. And then I like to blow on it so it gets a little tacky, it dries just a little bit, so it's not super runny. And then I think I was just adjusting the tool in my hands to better apply the lashes. Yeah, there you go. And I apply it, and I like to press it down with my fingers because I feel like I have better accuracy when I use my fingers than if I tried to use the tool. And then you repeat that step for your other. lashes just really make your eyes pop. Glad I finally figured out how to apply them. I'm just gonna adjust that. So beautiful. Now mascara to blend your natural lashes and your false lashes. Of course, I get it on my nose. Oh, maybe. And then I take this nude eyeliner. You can also use white. I just prefer the nude one. And I line my waterline. And then I take waterproof mascara and I line my lower lash line. You could use regular. I just prefer waterproof because I'm the type of person that is very emotional and I cry a lot, or I laugh so much and I just don't want to deal with running. So now I'm going to touch up, well, first I'm going to rinse all the fallout off. Then I'm going to touch up my concealer, the Beauty Blender. At this point I would normally do, you know, my face, but since we already had it done, I'm just touching up any mistakes that were created by changing my eyes. Now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. I just use like a dark brown eyeshadow. I know some people like pomade or whatever, but I don't know. I just feel like eyeshadow is fine. I don't necessarily even feel like I need to fill in my brows, but I just do. Why not? And then it's time for contour. Got that bronzer ready. I do this when I feel like I know I'm gonna be taking a lot of pictures because it defines your face better. Gives you a little more definition in photos. And I also use it to slim out my nose because I don't really like my nose. So I use a small brush when I'm blending in my temples and my nose. And this part's crucial, the blending part is crucial, so I spend a lot of time on it. Probably more than I need to, but I just like to make sure. And then I take a bigger flat top brush and blend in my cheeks and my jawline. Making that fishy face sucking in my cheeks. And I really like to blend this in because it could just look like a line of dirt on my face if I don't. So I'd rather spend more time doing it than I need to, but better be safe than sorry. And once that's done, we highlight. I'm using a not quite purple but not quite silver highlighter and a small eyeshadow brush. And I apply that on my brow bone and the center of my nose and my cupid's bow. And then I blend it with my finger if I feel like I need to. And then I take a slightly bigger brush to apply that highlight on my cheekbones. And then once that's done, I use blush. I like a more like orange peachy blush than I do like a rosy pink blush, just with my complexion, but you know, use whatever you want. You put that on the apples of your cheeks and then you blend it out. That's pretty much it. Normally I would put lipstick on here, but I forgot to bring the one I wanted to wear upstairs, so I'm going to use Urban Decay's All Nighter Setting Spray. I love this. It is such a savior, especially with cons or photo shoots with sweat. So I spray that all over my face and my neck because you blend your makeup onto your neck. And then I fan it dry with my hand until I feel like it's safe to open my eyes, even though I look stupid doing it. And there you go. That's pretty much it. The finished look. Hey guys, so this is it. You can add a lipstick to it too if you want. I just didn't have the one that I wanted to wear with it with me in the bathroom because I forgot to bring it with me when I filmed. Go me. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please, pretty please, pretty please. And hit the bell if you want to get notifications, which you should. Don't forget to follow us on other social media platforms. Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. And if there's anything that you'd like to see me attempt, you can always drop it in the comments. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, who knows? Thanks again for your support, guys. I really appreciate it, and I know the rest of the team does too. Bye!